Okay, so this is just a really quick video to show you what happens when calcium reacts with water. You maybe did this in year 9, that's why I haven't shown you how to set this all up. So I've got a test tube that's filled with water in a beaker of water. Just going to drop the calcium in and you'll see it starts to react right away. And then I'm just going to hold the test tube over the top of where the bubbles are coming out to try to fill. So you'll see the water in the test tube going down because it's filling up with the gas that's been given off. So this is hydrogen gas, and it will confirm it's hydrogen gas in a wee second. So we just need to wait now until it's finished bubbling because they're reacting at really high temperatures, and if I put my hand anywhere near that water at the minute, it'll be really sore. So we're just going to wait for the calcium to finish reacting. I have no water left in my test tube, it's just gas. You probably can't see it very well because the water's gone cloudy. This is actually a really good practical because at GCSE, this is one of the ones that they ask, and it comes up quite often, about what the observations. So you can see that the calcium fizzes, it moves, the water has gone cloudy, and that you can hear the bubbles of the fizzing coming off. So those are all really good observations for when you come to do this at GCSE. So I'm going to try and drop the stopper in. Hopefully it'll land the right way up. Oh, it did, that's good. And then I put the stopper on. There's still a tiny bit of fizzing, so I definitely don't want to touch the water with my hands. I'll be able to lift the test tube out and just dry off the outside of it. Okay, so now I've got a test tube that has hydrogen in it. Okay, so you'll remember from year 9 what the test for hydrogen is. Just let me go through the equation with you first of all. So the equation is it's calcium reacting with water forms calcium hydroxide, which is an alkali. So whenever if we were to put universal indicator into that beaker, it would go like a dark blue purple colour, and then hydrogen gas. And I've got the symbol equation underneath for those people who want to have a look at it. Okay, so in your book it asks you to write down the word equation for it, and then it asks you to, it says what happens when we test the gas in a lit splint or a lighted splint. So I'm just going to light my splint and then test the gas. Hopefully this works. Maybe you heard the pop, did you? So test for hydrogen gas is it burns with a squeaky pop.